If you're looking for a brand new home in Turlock that's low maintenance and in the low 400s, then this community is going to be perfect for you. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Alex, your local Turlock realtor. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first one updated about the Central Valley real estate market. I get calls from people all the time looking to move here, whether you're moving right now or in a year from now. Feel free to contact me. All my contact info is below, and I'd be happy to help you with your move. Today I'm here in West Turlock at a new subdivision of homes that has come up over the past few years, a few of them completely ready for you to move in right now. So this area, we're super close to the freeway, so it's great for commuters. These homes are also very low maintenance, smaller backyards. So if you are a working professional and just don't have the time for the maintenance, this is going to be perfect for you. But they're still pretty good size with plenty of space for multiple people to live here. So today I'm going to show you around the community, but I'm also going to step inside of one of these homes currently for sale right now, so you can get an idea of what the layout of these homes look like. This home directly behind me is the one we're going to go take a look at today. So let's go straight inside. Now this home is currently listed for $410,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,506 square feet. Now 1,500 square feet is still a really good sized home, but the way that they've built this subdivision is just to make it a little bit more compact, fit a few more homes in, make it very, very low maintenance for you with a very small yard, really small backyard. So if you're looking for a bigger lot, these are not going to be the homes for you. But if you're wanting something low maintenance, like I personally love, this is going to be perfect. Now you can see when we first walk in here, how they've laid out the space. We have all the bedrooms and bathrooms besides the half bath upstairs, just to give you space for the kitchen and living room down here. So when you first walk in, you're immediately greeted by the living room area that's kind of open floor plan and leads to the kitchen. And then the stairs are directly off to the right when you enter. Now, something I really like about these homes and a lot of new homes that we see, even though it's a little bit more compact and smaller, there's a lot of natural light in here. You can see the home is just full of windows. We have a really nice big window in the front and windows going all the way around with the sliding glass door. Now you have plenty of space here for a dining table, kitchen table, and then here is your kitchen as well too. The builder is finishing just a couple of small things, so please ignore some of the unfinished pieces. But you can see very modern features. The gray is very popular right now, and it is just nice having peace of mind knowing that you're moving into a home that has brand new everything. So keep in mind when you do move into a brand new home, you don't normally have a home warranty, but you do have a warranty on all the individual appliances. So you'll have to read through the manufacturer's warranty when you move into the homes, but these, for example, the dishwasher, the stove, the microwave, they'll all have their own individual warranties in case something goes out within the next couple of years. And then headed into the backyard, I did tell you that it's going to be a pretty small lot size. So, I mean, this is the whole backyard pretty much. You have some side area off to the side as well too. Very, very low maintenance. Moving into these new homes, they never finish the backyard, so that's something that you'll have to do on your own. But this one's really small, making it really easy for you to do that. And then headed back inside, the last two things we do have downstairs is just a half bath, which is nice to have in case you do have guests over. Can't really see here. Just a basic half bath. And then we do have the 2-car garage here as well. Again, they're finishing up just a couple things, but should be moving ready here within just the next few days. Then headed back towards the front, as I said, these stairs are right off to the side. They are, again, this is one of the last pieces. They are finishing up the stairs here. So it should be ready in just a couple of days. I don't know if they're putting carpet here, but it'll be completely moving ready within this week. Now, once you're upstairs, as I said, it is a 3-bedroom. So off to the left, we do have the first bedroom, which faces the front. Again, lots of natural lighting, which is really nice. These are pretty good sized rooms. And then off of this one, we have the first full bathroom. And then we have the second guest bedroom, very similar size to the first one that overlooks the back side. And then something that's really nice here too is you do have an in-house or separate room for your laundry, but it's actually upstairs. So that's really convenient. just because all the bedrooms are upstairs, not having to haul your laundry up and down to get it washed. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's really convenient, and it saves a lot of space having it up here. And it's directly next to the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom does have 2 closets. So you have this first one here, which is just the sliding door. And then you do have a full walk-in as well, too. So his and hers closets. And then, of course, we do have an attached bathroom that has dual sinks. And this one is just a standing shower, not a tub. Now, we are going to take a drive around just so you can get an idea of how this community is laid out. Like I said, it's very compact, smaller roads. But I don't think street parking is allowed here either. So at least that gives a little bit more space outside. You will see a lot of the homes look very, very similar. It's a very similar look and feel. I almost thought these were actually townhomes when I first drove by them when they were being built. But I was actually nicely surprised to see that they're single family homes. So we'll take a look around the community. And if you have any questions about them, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this gave you a good idea as to what Turlock has to offer for brand new homes at a lower price point. Turlock can be really hard to get into. Turlock is a little bit more expensive than some of the other areas in Stanislaus County. It's a nice town. It's very popular to live here. So if you are looking for something in the low 400 mark, but also move-in ready so you don't have to worry about it, then this might be a good community for you. I think there's 3 or 4 homes left, so feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is below. And until next time, hope to show you around the valley.